All right, guys. So, I'm sorry that I'm not there with you again today, but just know that I love you and I miss you, and I'm going to walk you through what you're going to do today in class. So, I'm also going to tell you when you should pause and do this activity for this section before you move on to the next required notes or activity. So the first thing that you should have done was defined only the vocab terms that you find on pages 270 through 275. If you have not defined those terms using your book, the glossary, or your Chromebook, you must do that now. So pause this video, do that, and then move on. For those of you that have done that part, I want for you to read through section 1.1 found on page 270 to 271. As you read through this, you're going to be taking notes on the land features and the water features of Rome. This should be done in bullet form. Now, if you have not done that, pause the video. Do not watch the rest of it. If you have already done that, you need to go on to section 1.2, which is found on page 272 through 273 in your book. You are going to read through that, and you are going to be filling out the origins of Rome foldable about Trojan Aeneas and Romulus and Remus. You're filling that information out on this foldable from section 1.2 in bullet form, and then you will move on to the next thing. But if you have not done that yet, please pause the video and do not go on. Now, if you've already filled out the origins of Rome foldable, I want for you to turn to section 1.3 called the Republican government. You are going to use this section to fill out this foldable: branches of government, consuls, senate, and assembly. You should be loading this with information found in this section in bullet form. Make sure that you're using the vocab terms that you also see in this section when you're writing the notes as well. This should pretty much take up your entire class period doing this. If you finish early for some reason, which you shouldn't, I want you to pick something in one of these three sections that really interest your, that really just sparked an interest in you. And I want you to just find more information about that specific topic. But other than that, that is what you're doing in class today. And we will go over all of this starting Monday. And I think I've covered everything. I miss you very much already, and I hope that you have a great weekend, a great FRI-YAY, and I love you, mean it. Bye.